And in the history of the United States, the Senate has only attempted to convict a president 4 times, and 2 of those involve former President Trump. And to get an idea of the sense of urgency, the Senate is willing to work on Valentine's Day and a federal holiday to try and speed this along. CBS's Kris Van Cleave reports tonight from the Capitol.
House impeachment managers made the solemn walk across the Capitol today, preparing for the unprecedented second impeachment trial of a president. In a 78-page brief, former President Donald Trump's lawyers called the impeachment case sterile and thin, political theater, and a danger to our republic democracy and the rights that we hold dear.
We already know how this is going to turn out. I mean, there's no chance that there's actually going to be a conviction.
Aides to the former president say Mr. Trump will be watching the trial closely, but will not testify or provide a statement in his defense.
We fight like hell, and if you don't fight like hell, you're not going to have a country anymore.
The Trump team argues statements like that from the morning of the Capitol siege are protected by the First Amendment and were meant in the figurative sense. They cite law enforcement reports that some people began planning to attack Congress before Mr. Trump's January 6th speech as further evidence his statements could not reasonably be interpreted as a call to immediate violence. House impeachment managers countered in a brief of their own. President Trump's incitement of insurrection was itself a frontal assault on the First Amendment. They call his behavior the most grievous constitutional crime ever committed by a president, adding he has no valid excuse or defense for his actions. Tonight, Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer is promising a fair hearing of the facts.
There must be truth and accountability. Sweeping something as momentous as this under the rug brings no healing whatsoever.
The trial will run 6 days a week, and to accommodate social distancing, senators may watch from the second-floor gallery or on a TV from a room just off the Senate floor. Arguments will begin tomorrow afternoon, focused on whether the impeachment trial is constitutional. On Wednesday, we expect House impeachment managers to begin up to 16 hours of arguments before the former president's team responds. Nora?
Big week on Capitol Hill. Kris Van Cleave, thank you.